In the following videos, you're going to see a different way of using the essential oils, expanding the use. But mainly this aromatherapy that we're doing here is for emotional support. I'm just going to show you how you can use it in your bath, how you can use it in a diffuser, and now how you can create your own that you can carry in your purse. Okay, you can create several different blends. So this one blend here is for grief. And let's remember that these recipes are targeted. Symptoms of the emotions will be addressed, and you'll feel relief from symptoms. For example, grief, upset, miserable, you're feeling sad, or physical pain. Okay, so your ingredients are going to be frankincense, right? Frankincense, lime, cypress, and fractionated coconut oil. So you would drop these oils into this, and the number of drops will be in your workbook. You are going to combine them. You're going to put the lid back on, and you're going to apply it on your wrist and behind your ears. You rub your wrists together and inhale deeply. As you're inhaling, of course, you're doing your breathing. Slowly inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. And you're going to feel the wonderful effects of the calming, the peace, the just a nice feeling. And that's what you can make for yourself. Okay. The next one is an ingredient or a roller for loss. You know, when you feel lost, you have hopelessness, grief, numbness. You're in denial, you're uncertain, you're in pain, not all at once, but some at some of the times. So the ingredients are going to be frankincense, wild orange, rose. Now, rose is going to be a little pricey, so you don't have to put it if you don't want to spend the money for it. The wild orange and the frankincense will be good enough, okay? And you would mix it again in a roller and drop the oils in there, and then take it with you. Same application, wrist and behind the ears, and take your time. Enjoy it. Enjoy the aroma of a calming oil that's going to get you through the day when you've got challenges or when you're going into a challenging situation. Aromatherapy is not only for people that are grieving or experiencing loss, or every day regular people that haven't experienced grief, we have grief. We go to work, we have a boss that we don't like, or a coworker we don't like, or we go to the hospital and the wait is long, or the clinic and the wait is long. We get annoyed, we have grief. Or we go to the market and you can't find the things that you need to find, and you're in a hurry. You got to get the grandkids or kids off to where they got to go. It's grief. Okay. It's a feeling of anger. It's a feeling of resentment, that our time is getting wasted. So these recipes are not only for people who have lost. You can use this Even if you know somebody that experienced it, but you can use it for yourself as well. You can show them how to use it. And now we can make one for general symptoms like anxiety, sadness, exhaustion, depression, grief. So when I say exhaustion, this we can go to work and work hours and we come home exhausted because we have just dealt with a problem that came while we were at work. Or somebody called us and said, hey, your kid or your grandkid is acting up. We got to talk to you. You got to schedule time. This is all creating emotional and physical exhaustion. And so you would use vetiver. And as I told you, vetiver is calming. So you would use vetiver, clary sage, wild orange. You would use cedarwood is another one I have. Cedarwood is great. And peppermint is another one that I love to use, which I always carry with me because I have allergies and it just drives me crazy when I'm driving and I'm sneezing and sneezing and sneezing. So I get out my peppermint and I just open it up and I smell it from the bottle and it relieves my allergies. But you use this, you make your general symptoms blend and you put it in your 10 ml roller bottle and you mix the fractionated coconut oil in there. And again, you would rub it. I actually have a car diffuser, so I would diffuse one of these, peppermint, wild orange, I combine them. I diffuse that. And then of course, your old standby of your wrist. If you're at the bank waiting and you start feeling anxious for some reason, you just, put some, get it out of your bag and put some on your wrist. And now, I think that's pretty much what we have. Let's see. So I think I've equipped you with some great recipes here that can tide you over until you get home and you can really relax. Turn the diffuser on, turn the hot water on, fill the tub and lay in there, or just sit on the bed, play the I trust in God or what a friend we have in Jesus, or recite the scriptures in your head. Trust in the Lord with all your heart, lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways acknowledge him and he will make your path straight. Or the other one where he says, he makes all things work together for our good, those who love God and those who are called according to his purpose. Or if you're really wondering, why am I going through this? You can think in your head, he said, I know the plans I made for you. It is not for evil, but for good, to give you a future and a hope. Those are the things that got me through. And I'm so grateful that I have my faith and I have my essential oils. And the next videos that you're going to see is going to be about phase reflexology. And I'm so grateful. Plus my community, encouragement and prayer support.